Hey, Rochelle here. Today I want to show you a two-strand twist, and I'm going to make one two-strand twist on this side and one on this side, and then we're going to take the length of the hair up into a beaded 8. Here I have a Jesslyn, which is a beautiful silver beaded 8 with an oval crystal. It's like a jagged crystal. Hope you can see it there. See the texturing on the top, and I'm going to pair that with my all metal clear stick here. This is in a size medium that I'm going to use. These are available in size extra small through double XL. Okay, so let's get started. We're not really going to part our hair. We're simply going to divide it in half, just like so. And we'll just begin up here at the top. Take a section of hair out. Take a second section of hair out, and then we're simply going to bring this bottom strand up over the top strand. We're going to drop that top strand down. We'll gather it along with some new hair, just like so. And again, we'll take that and put it up over the top strand. Let the top strand fall down and just continue along the edge of our hairline like so. So just really simple, easy style, just following along the edge of our hairline. This is a really great style when you need to keep that hair up and out of the way. This is a great school style for school girls. You want to keep their hair up. And then when we get the half of the hair, we're simply just going to go ahead and twist down the length of the hair like so. You actually don't even have to go all the way to the end. So I'm just going to end it right here. I'm just using this to hold. It's not going to stay there, but I'm using it to hold like that so it'll keep my strand twisted together. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side of our hair. So we're just simply going to take a strand of hair, section I guess I should say, and another section, always lifting that bottom over the top is how I like to do it. And then when we get to the very end of this, we're simply gonna put it up kind of like in a bun at the base of our neck. Sometimes on this side, I tend to want to get high and not follow along the frame of my face, so I try to keep that in mind. We want to keep it kind of on the edge of the hairline here is the best case scenario. You can do this hairstyle in just a few minutes. It's really simple and easy. I think I want to divide that out just one more time before I add it all in. And just like that. And we'll go ahead and twist that just a little ways down. Not much, it doesn't have to be twisted much at all. And then we'll just go ahead and put these two sections of hair back into a bun. Okay, take that out. Just kind of, I don't know, you might want to just crisscross it. Maybe even just go ahead and kind of two-strand the rest of this hair. The rest of the way down, and then we'll bun it. How about that? If you want your hair to be fuller, simply when you're doing your twist, go ahead and every once in a while pull out these strands, just making them show more volume if you like the more voluminous. I'm not particularly worried about that today. So let's go ahead and just simply bun this up. Any which way you want to do it here is perfectly fine. And then I'm going to put my beaded 8. I like to put the stick through just like this first, and then I just use it like one piece, similar to the flexi clip. Just go down through, make sure on the bottom that you get all that hair put up in there, and then simply lift that hair stick up and through the other side, and hopefully, can't really see there, have to centerize it a little bit, but hopefully there you can see that 2-strand twist, super easy to do and really easy to gather. So what do you think? We can pull out a few curls around our face to finish off this look, but super, super easy. Definitely an everyday hairstyle that you can be out the door in 5 minutes. All right, you all have a blessed day. I'll link below in the comments where you can get your Beaded 8 and all metal hair stick. You all have a blessed day. I'm Rochelle Romans.